Hello everyone, Happy New Year to you all. Happy 2023. I thank you so much for joining me again. Today we are going to go over the Spellbinders Card Kit of the month for January 2023. It's called Indoor Garden. It's really pretty, and you'll notice some changes to your card kit of the month. Now, they changed the packaging. You'll no longer receive a box in the mail. You'll receive a bag like this, and it's a heavy-duty bag. I wouldn't say this is vinyl, but it's a heavy-duty plastic. There is a really nice zipper closure on the very top. Flattened, this bag is about 8.5 inches, maybe 8 inches by 11, a little bit smaller than a card front panel. It looks smaller than a piece of cardstock because of the bulk, but if you were to lay it flat, that's the size of this. So, and then it's about maybe 2 or 3 inches thick. Now, Spellbinders lowered the price of the card kits, and they did that because they're no longer adding the stamp set or the dies. So the price point is a little bit more economical, but there's no stamps or dies in the card kit. Now, to supplement that, Spellbinders is now offering something a little bit different. This is the card kit of the month coordinating or add-on die set. This is called Happy Plant, and this is meant to coordinate with your card kit of the month. You can see it has the little logo down here, so they're meant to coordinate. So if you are missing the dies, you can actually pick this up separately, okay? And I'm not sure if this will be available. This may be available outside the subscription. I'm not sure. If it is, I'll link it down below by itself. But there is a coordinating die set that every month there will be a coordinating die set to coordinate with your card kit of the month. It's just not included anymore, okay? So now, not only did they take out the stamp and the dies, they made some changes with the rest of the kit. I'm going to put this off aside. I'm not going to create a card with the Happy Plant add-on, but I did want to show you that this is an option, okay? Let's open this up and take a look at everything that's in here. Of course, you're going to still get your recipe guide, as I like to call it. This is a content sheet, tells you everything that's in the kit, and it gives you some inspirational projects on the front, and then also a step-by-step, 1 through 5 step on how to create your card here, and that one's this on the front. So this is like a nice little recipe guide. I'm going to take everything out of our kit, and I mentioned they've made a few extra changes. Lots, still tons in these kits. Okay. You'll still get some card bases and envelopes. These are A2 in size. You still get the V-flap, and then these are pre-scored card bases. The only difference is you're going to get 8 instead of 10, so they shorten the amount. Okay, so you'll get 8 card bases along with 8 envelopes instead of the normal 10. Now, instead of full sheets of colored cardstock, you're going to get A2 panels. Okay, these A2 panels, you're going to get 20 of them in this month's kit. There's actually four sheets of each color, and there are 5 colors. There's blue, green, yellow, pink, and then this is not a white. This is more of a creamy color. You can see the difference. So you get 20 sheets of these, 4 of each of these A2 panels, which I don't mind because I always trim these panels anyway, so I love that. Okay, so you get your 20 panels, 8 card bases, and 8 envelopes. And then another change before we get to the rest of the goodies. Another change is the pattern paper. You're no longer going to get a pattern paper pad. You are going to get individual sheets. And you'll get, let's see, it looks like these individual sheets, you get 1 of each. And there's lots of same different patterns. The paper weight is the same as the 6x6 paper pad. The only difference is you're getting half of what you normally do. Only one sheet, so you have to. They're single-sided, but you'll have to use them wisely or carefully because you don't have an extra sheet in the kits. Okay, so 20 different pattern papers that coordinate with all of the rest of our goodies. This month you get some puffy stickers. I love the black and white. You get some tabs and arrows. A lot of fun puffy stickers, and these are actually puffy stickers. There's happy birthday, bloom, hello. So you get a pack of these. You also get 2 sheets of chipboard stickers. These are typically in the kits, and I love them. Okay, so you get those. This month you get some chipboard frames. Now these are really nice. I'm not sure how many you'll get. Let's see. Lots. You get some like film reels. You get 3 of those. Now these you can punch out and actually use. Whoops. Oh, you know the back side, instead of release paper, you know what's neat is it's clear. Let me show you. It's a clear backing. So you get those pop out. I just wanted to show you that these pop out. So 3 film reels. You get some 3 slides. These have that plastic release paper too. You get photo frames. These are my favorite. Love these. And then these have the release paper too. And then you have 3 of these real pretty cornered edges frames. Lots of frames. And the nice thing about these is these create fast and easy shakers. Okay, those are your chipboard frames. And then you also get some gems, some adhesive circles. These have those gold flakes. I know Spellbinders has came out with them before, but you get 4 different colors, and looks like you get 3 different sizes. So you get a whole package of those, and everything's coordinating beautifully. And then, of course, last but not least, you're going to get some, I'm not going to go through all of these, but you are going to get, well, I love my windows, love this. You get a whole pack of your die cuts. And this one they didn't change, you still get 2 of each of these. Makes it really nice. So, you get, and it looks like there's a whole bunch of, since the kit this month is called Indoor Garden, I imagine there's a lot of elements with plants and flowers and stuff, and so you get a whole pack of these. And then last but not least, they're still including your foam adhesive, and then also a roll of double-sided adhesive. This is, it looks like about a little less than a 1/4 inch double-sided roll of tape. So everything, this actually pouch makes it really easy for travel too. Let me give a piece of cardstock while we have it flat. This is, you can, well, maybe it's a little bit larger than a standard sheet of cardstock. So it's nice for storage. You could get a basket and store all of these in there, and everything stays put. Love that. I kind of like the changes. Sometimes I don't always use the stamp set because there is so much in a kit, and this is beginner friendly, so if you're just a beginner card maker, I think this is a great kit for beginners too, because there's no stamping or die. If you don't have a die cut machine, or if you don't have inks for stamping, this has everything you need to create. Now, following this video, I'm going to create some projects. I'm not going to create 10 of them, but I am going to create some projects using this month's card kit of the month for January. It's called Indoor Garden, so I'll link that video at the end if you want to check it out, give you a little bit of inspiration. Thanks so much for joining me. I'd love to hear your comments and thoughts about the brand new Spellbinders Card Kit of the month. I want to know if you like it, or if you like the changes, if you like the price point. lowering the price point is always nice. I know eggs right now are like $4. I'm paying $4.50 for a pack of, I like the free range organic eggs. But even I was comparing the price to the regular carton of eggs, and we're paying $4.50 for that. Everything is going up now. So if I don't use something in the card kit, I think if you can lower the price, I think that is fabulous. So I look forward to creating with this, so check out that video following this one. So that is everything in the Spellbinders Card Kit of the month for January. It's called Indoor Garden. I really like the bag, actually. Also, I like that they still have a die set option that you could pick up to go with it. And I'll leave this down below. I'm not sure how the price point on either of these. Since I am an influencer for Spellbinders, I'm just not sure of the price point. But I thank you so much for joining me. Happy New Year to you all, and we'll see you again soon.